Are you guys ready? Okay. Okay, come here, guys.
Who's gonna talk first?
I wanna piss on it. Love is all I love. I don't even want none of the other, but I wanna piss on you. Piss on you.
I wanna piss on you guys.
Okay, guys, the video started.
Yo, bye.
He's making the music video.
Like a porter.
You guys, seriously, it started. I'm gonna post this on Facebook.
Okay.
You just edit that first part out.
I'm not gonna edit it. It's gonna stay in here.
What's up, everyone?
Hello.
We're the Husa officers, just the guys here today.
No, wait. There's the girls too.
Oh,
Right here.
Why you guys have to lie?
But we just want to update you guys on what's coming up for Husa. First things first, don't forget to turn in your scholarship. Husa members, we have a Husa scholarship for the members. It's $250.
$250.
There's an application. Fill it out, turn it in. What else is there?
Oh, Coaching Show, April 29th, 47. Come out. It's going to be here at Sac State at the University Ballroom. So, it's a free event for the public. Come out and, yeah, enjoy the show. It's going to be crazy. What else?
VSLS.
Oh, there's no what else?
Alright, so 25th anniversary. Husa's
That's right.
turning 25. So it's going to happen April 7th. So make sure you get your time off. It's going to be from 4 to 8. We're going to have live guests, live band, entertainment all around. So come out, enjoy. Meet old Husa, new Husa, and anyone who's ever affiliated with Husa. So just come out, and it's a free event, and dress to impress. It'll look really nice.
Meet the founding father.
Yes.
I didn't think about that.
Alright, and last but not least, our terms as officers are coming to an end.
Yes, it is. Don't worry. It'll be okay.
Bromance.
Bromance.
But we just want to encourage all you other Husa members or people who wants to run for an officer position in Husa. Fill out an application. Applications online at csus.edu/org/mong, and you can find that under
Our movement.
The link below. The link below.
Our movement.
The link below.
Our movement.
where
Our movement.
our movement link. So go there, fill it out, turn it in. We hope to see you guys as the next officers next year. We're pretty sad that our terms are ending, but yeah. Next year meeting is Thursday, March
29.
29th. March 29th.
We are so
From 4:30 to 7. So come out, join us. There's a lot to talk about. So thank you.
Enjoy your spring break.
Free break.
All right.